ぱりあなたは大した人だわ。私の時と同じじゃないの。
Oh god, it's like, you defended me first. Get that bitch. Yeah, I bet it's gonna be like that. Uh-oh. Ah, they fucking call it every time. Oh, they're gonna be competitive as fuck. Oh. No, no, this is gonna be bad.
でも、同じでもないわよね。
It's not the same. Okay, sure. Oh, okay, yeah, hers was special, of course. Oh, this is bad. Lisa and I turned to her simultaneously.
だって、夕べの時は相手は拳銃を持っていて、マサヤもそれが分かっていて。
That is true. The situation was a lot worse.
けど、リサさんの時はそこまで危険な感じでもなかったんでしょ?
Stunt's trying to fucking one-up her. What is this? I understood what she was saying, but I wasn't sure why she was arguing that point. God, this guy, how dense can you be? Anime protagonist every time. Oh, now she's pissed. This seemed to make Risa stand upset for reasons I couldn't identify. God, this damn it.
あの時相手は 4,5 人もいて、ヤクザ者と違って武道の鍛錬も積んでいる人たちで。
Okay, they're fucking ninjas, man. Okay.
見ただけじゃそんなことわからないじゃない。あ、そうだ。だいたい根本的に言って相手は学校のガルディエンヌだったわけでしょ?
Yes. Oh.
それこそマサヤさんにとってはわからなかったことだわ。
That's true. Oh my god, these girls, man, fucking everywhere. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh god, it's a cat battle now. Shit. This is bad, guys. This is bad. Hey, what's with you two? What are you two even arguing about?
どっちが大変だった?
No, you're not gonna make me choose that shit. Are you fucking kidding me? What?
どっちが大変だったって聞いたの?
No, this is not gonna be a choice. Messiah, please don't answer this. I was completely at a loss. I didn't understand what they were after, and the situations were incomparable in my mind. Exactly.
私も気になるところだわ。大いにね。
Fucking shit.
ただ、マサヤさんのしたことはあくまで親切ですからね。どちらが上とか下という話ではないと思いますが。
Thank you, Rico-san. She saved me from the cat battle. Thank you. Oh my god. That's right. Yeah. Nice, smooth there, buddy. Oh. Rico-san's dignified words sent the two lapsing into awkward silence. Thank God. Oh God, I thought it was gonna be decision time. Oh.
まあ、それもそうね。
Thank you. Oh God, that would have been bad.